Nothing? You mean nothing? So you are going to sit and watch another woman dethrone you? Never.
What else can I do? That is the truth.
This is not the way I know. Over my dead body will I let such thing happen to you? It will not. Have you thought of surrogacy and insemination? Look, you have to try other means. There is every possibility that the problem will be from your husband, the king. Yes.
I'll finally do what you suggested to me to do.
Look, I know I gave you many suggestions. So which one did you choose?
The one that is simpler and easier for me to do.
Which is? Wow.
You know, the walls have ears. So I want you to be careful.
So who is he?
He's a friend of mine. I actually ran into him. We lost contact some time ago.
Wow.
I ran into him a few days ago.
That's good. I love your guts. Wow, I like it.
But, Rita, are you sure this is not going to backfire?
Don't you trust me again?
I trust you.
Don't you believe me? It will not. Look, I can't wait for your dream to come true. Believe me.
Thank you.
I'm just doing this because of you.
Thank you very much.
All right now, we'll see you later. Thank you.
You look more prettier than ever.
Oh no, I am not cut out for that now. I am here out of desperation. That was why I picked you up. I want to talk to you.
Oh, I see. So I'll be glad to help you in any way I can.
Oh no. My husband, the king, has not been able to make me pregnant for the many years we've been married. My position as the queen is threatened. In fact, it's on the balance.
So how can I help you?
I want you to make me pregnant. I'll pay whatever it is. Once I confirm you're able to make me conceive.
Oh, my GP tank. Oh, sorry for laughing. But it seems you have forgotten who you're speaking with. I am not an herbal healer, neither am I a pastor, so how can I possibly make you pregnant? I'm not a magician.
I want you to sleep with me and make me pregnant.
Holy Moses. Excuse me. Oh, wait. Sorry, I didn't see that coming.
Now you've seen it coming.
You want me to sleep with you? And still get paid, is that what you mean?
I'll pay whatever it is once I confirm I am pregnant. Can you be serious a little?
Oh, that's the easiest thing in the earth. Eh? Of course, you know, I'll make you pregnant because my mandila is hot and my propeller is worth it. So if I hit you there, you'll always come back for more. Trust me.
Not a chance. I will never come back. I am giving you two conditions to this deal. One is that once I get pregnant and ever give birth to the child, you never lay claim to that child. Whether it's a female child, whether it's a male child, you don't know that child existed whatsoever. Is that clear? Second is that delete my number from your contact. You don't know me and I don't know you. Don't ever contact me afterward.
Okay, forget about little talks. Of course, let's get to know each other before MOU. Don't you understand?
Who cares about this you useless MOU? Let's get down to business. I already booked a hotel.
All right, yes.
So let's go there.
Deal. So drive to wherever you want the job to be done. Then you trust me. I'll be like Mike Tyson, you know, in the roller coaster.
I have booked a hotel room. Let's go there. I'm not interested in all this, your tidbits. All right.
All right.
All right.
All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All
news I hear about you. Thinking of taking a second life.
The pressure on me is so much. The throne needs an heir. And I have to weigh the options.
Your Majesty, I am not against that. But before you take further decisions and actions, I would want us to give it one last try.
One last try. What about the so many tries we have done over the years? And what makes you think that this try will make a difference?
Just this once. I won't ask again. You may never know what will happen. Just this once.
All right. But it shouldn't be more than once. I'm really tired today.
Oh, come on. One round is all I need. Even a drop of it can make a woman pregnant. So let's just go. I know how you do it. You do it well. That one round will make a difference. Come, let's go. Let's take this to the bedroom so that it will give you all the strength you need to do it very well. Come. To the bedroom.
Anyway, turning me on all the time.
And that is why I'm your queen. That is my responsibility to turn you on, touch you where you like it more. Come. About the second wife. You're going to be thinking about me.
How did it go? Have you met with the man?
Yes, the deed has been done already.
Good. That's my queen. I'm proud of you.
Rita, I am still very worried.
No, you don't have to. All you need to do now is to meet your husband immediately.
I've done that already.
Wow, you've done that? Then you don't need to be worried. Relax and be happy. Very soon, everything will be alright, okay?
Rita, I just pray so. I just pray everything will be alright in due time.
Listen, rejoice. Your prayers has been answered. You have done all you're supposed to do. Trust me, okay? You'll be fine.
I just hope so.
Don't worry. I won't let you down. Are you not my friend again? Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Things have gone wrong. My tree has fallen. Who will take the place? The throne is at stake.
Hi, she was dizzy and having this nausea feeling.
Congratulations, Your Highness. The Queen is 3 weeks pregnant.
Did I hear you right?
Yes.
I'm going to have an heir to the throne.
Yes, Your Highness.
What? Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
Let me share the moment with her.
Your Highness, I salute you.
No.
I want to tell you that the entire kingdom, they are all happy with the development that they are seeing now. Finally, that day we have been waiting for has come. We now have a successor. The person that will take after our king. And we have been praying for this. And we have been waiting for something like this also. Igwe, may you live long.
Ise.
May your days on earth here be blessed.
Ise. Oh no, you are saying it all.
Your Highness, I greet you. We, the people of this great kingdom, have always known that a day like this will come. But the question on our lips was why it was taking so long. But we thank the gods of our ancestors that that very day has finally come. The day has finally come. And we are here to rejoice. Your Highness, we know you are planning a very big celebration, but I beg you to allow us to celebrate with this token of kola nut and this white man drink to wash it down. I know I told you. And I can't remember. I have started already.
Obaka. Hey.
I'm not going to so that you use it to wash it down.
Good day. How are you?
Now I'm here to see you.
Okay, you have seen me.
The king sent me to deliver a message to you.
And what is the message?
The king sent me to deliver a message to you and to ask you why you haven't been to the palace to see the newborn prince. And to also invite you for the naming ceremony of the prince.
I have heard you. Now go back to the palace. Tell Ebube that I cannot attend. He is the king. He has the affairs of the community to attend to. And me also have my private affairs to attend to. So go back and tell him that.
But now...
Come on, go. Go and tell him you are a messenger. I'm giving you a message for him. Go before you lose your head.
Okay, now.
Get out.
Okay, now. Okay, now.
Idiots from the palace. Can you imagine? Hi, Ebube, asking me to come to attend, to rejoice with him over a son, a stupid son he's going to hand over the power to. It's over my dead body. Look at a throne that should be mine. Ebube is sitting on it. Now he's inviting me over to rejoice with him. Hi, this boy has spoiled my day, for goodness sake. Ah! Oh my goodness.
Your Majesty.
Yeah, I just went to see the baby prince in his cradle. And I want to thank you for making me a father and a king. I think I can now relax, sleep, rest, with the assurance that I now have a successor.
I hope this ends your quest for a second wife.
Of course. I really didn't want to marry another woman. It was just a thought. Pick a call.
No, I didn't want any disturbance with this erotic moment.
It's alright. Let me go wait for the others. Okay?
Remember, you are a king.
Yes, I am.
Things you don't do outside.
Alright.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll see you. What do you want? What do you want?
Okay, babe. Is everything okay?
Why do you ask?
I ask because it is written all over you. It's like you're thinking something very deep.
Okay, mother, I am fine. Some time back, You were clamoring for me to have a child for your son. Now I have a son, yet you won't let me. What is it?
Igbe, what is wrong? Why this unprovoked attack?
And I have a child. Not just a child, a son. So I have all the right to look you in the face and tell you exactly what is on my mind. Why Arabamaka? Leave me alone. Learn to mind your business. Excuse me. What one Biko? Is it your thinking?
Yes. Did you deliver my message to my brother?
Yes, Your Highness.
And what was his response?
He asked me to leave his house, Your Highness. He said he has other important affairs to attend to.
Son?
I need to speak to you about your wife. She's just been stupid.
I'm not in the mood for those your unending quarrels.
Oh, so I am now the one quarreling. Really?
I'm sorry, mother, but you seem to be channeling your energy to the wrong person. Anayo, my younger brother, have been against my rule for a very long time. He left the palace and went to stay in the old house. He has refused all helps I've offered him all the years. Just this afternoon, I sent for him. Let us celebrate. Let's have a good time together. You know what he did? He spat on my face. Anayo spat on my face. So what do you have to say about that?
Just calm down. You have to calm down. Take it easy on him. Anayo is not happy. And if you were the one too, you will not be happy. Anayo is not happy that you're sitting on the throne. So just calm down. I'll send for him and talk to him.
Better do, mother. Because my softness and kindness must not be misconstrued for weakness. Because I don't want to do what I'll regret.
Calm down. As I can see, you are not in the mood to discuss further. So I leave you until when you are settled down.
What is this madman doing here? I thought you had done with the meeting. Your Highness, greetings, Your Highness.
Can you for once speak to an elderly man with some respect?
Shut up. Who the hell are you to tell me that?
Princess.
Can you calm down?
Can you imagine this kind of embarrassment?
It's okay, calm down. Nai.
Greetings, Your Royal Majesty.
Greetings.
I'm here to see the king.
Oh, the king is having his siesta. You cannot see him at the moment. I hope all is well.
All is not well. I'd rather speak with the king directly.
He's sleeping, so I don't know.
I beg to take my leave.
Please forgive him, eh?
Forgive me for what? What is wrong with you? Am I the way you talk to me in front of
You
commoners?
will never see anything wrong in what you said.
What's that? Why are you talking to me like that?
Just don't mind her. Just don't mind her.
That's what I'm trying to say. There's no way a father would hate his son. It's tantamount to him hating his own self, himself self. If you are good.
Father, I've heard what you said, okay? I'll try to change. As a matter of fact, I am a changed person already. Okay, and I also work on my approach to people. Okay, so that's fine. We are good now.
Oh, I'm happy to hear that, and it gladdens my heart. I'm happy you realize what.
I'm sorry to barge in like this, Your Highness. I'm in anger and pain too.
So how is that our problem? Whether you're pained or sad, is that a problem?
Young lady, what is the problem?
I sent my stepdaughter to get something for me down the road, only for her to come back crying that she was raped.
Not under my rule. We'll have to look for the culprit and have him dealt with. Candy, please, you will take some gas with you to help me fish out that he-goat who is responsible for such an act.
For that, Your Highness. Your Highness, the culprit is no other person than your son, the prince.
How dare you come to this palace to lay your baseless accusation? Are you mad? What is wrong with you people? Killjoys.
I'm telling you the truth, Your Majesty. My sister cannot lie to me, and my own son can lie to me.
Take this idiot out of this place. Then you don't dare rape. Is it the first one that has done something with you?
Yes.
Get out! You want now what this girl, you a fool. Get out! Leave!
I give no such order. Will you stop that? Young lady, I am a just king. And I will find out the truth about this. Woman, if I find out that you are lying, your punishment is grave.
It's okay, Your Highness. I'm okay with any judgment you're going to pass on this. I'm okay with it.
Kandi, you had her. What have you to say in defense of that?
Wait. Can we all just take a chill pill and try not to be up in the hill? I'm not a coward not to own up to my mistakes. Okay. Yeah. I think I actually did the rape thing. Okay. I think I raped one of them. Not the one already. This other one. I raped her very close to the bush. Which I regret because she wasn't really worth it. It was so watery or salty. What do I say? So it happened like that. But it's fine. The deed has been done.
Are you mad? Hi! Chineke. Hi! 1 hour since. Is it the first time?
It's very
It means you have been doing it all this while.
No.
You have been doing it all your life. Look at your face. I can see it on your face. It's written all over your face.
Kamdi, you disgust me. Now, get out of my sight. Get out of my sight! Get out of my sight!
Leave her alone.
Young lady, I apologize. But not to worry. I will make sure he pays for it.
My king, what about the shame and the guilt that I will go through? I will become a laughing stock.
Who will laugh at you? Since you have been doing with the other men, have they been laughing at you? When they see not they wink at you, idiot. They be laughing at you. Have a guinness to her. Me I go wink at you so far. Now the shame I will feel. Which shame? You go to you newcomer in the business.
Young lady, if it's okay by you, I will marry you to Kandi. I will pay the bride price and every other expenses that is necessary.
Thank you.
You have no other choice. You might be Sararo, idiot. You might buy his Sararo, go and look for your type. It's already a royalty. Idiot.
Stop that! You should have thought of that before he forced himself on this poor girl.
Can you with the poor?
Have I not been telling you? Look at how he has disgraced me.
He has rubbed shame on my face.
Majesty, my son is too young to marry this. No, don't even say. I'm sorry for everything. But I'll come and get marriage and can't pay them off.
He will marry her.
Marry who?
And that is final.
I got fine. It's false.
Thank you.
Hey! One category head hold you, then I'll book the mayor. On our toy. It's not awful.
Papa, Papa.
Oh, Guinea.
You form my hand, though.
Oh, Guinea.
Now, which kind talk with this way you dey talk now? This thing where you dey cap now, it no make sense. Eh?
Oh, Guinea.
Which one be say you go to the palace? They no agree you, the queen did not allow you to enter inside the palace. How?
That is not what I said. She said the king was having his siesta. And what come as
No, you born having his siesta. How? Why would the king have his siesta now? Eh? Papa, see, if I go to that palace, no, I will enter inside that king's bedroom. I'll go and see him.
Adora.
Nobody will stop me.
Adora. Adora, what has come over you? Why are you doubting your father?
Mama, yes, I'm doubting Papa. Yes, Papa allowed them to fool him. They fooled Papa. How would that woman tell Papa that the king is having siesta? No, Yibo. Why would the king have siesta? As the king finished thinking about his people, his own self, his family, we his subjects, and he's there going to sleep for what now? On a lalule if again.
Adora, will you keep quiet and allow me to think? What has come over you?
Papa, there is nothing you're thinking of. Papa, the truth, let us tell ourselves the truth. Papa, you dey whine me. There is nothing you're thinking. Me and you know that this your bad head. Or when you ain't thinking. Which kind of thing be this now? Mama, see, I know what I'm saying. Which kind of nonsense is this now? Papa does not want me to deal with that prince. Before that prince, Papa does not want me to deal with that prince. Yes, but I promise him I will deal with that prince. You see that boy? I will deal with him. He will know why they call me Adora. Mama, I would see everybody's scared of him. I am not scared of him. Don't worry. Angela, just sweet. Let's just sweet. I'll come out. I'll make sure I destroy him. Mama, I will destroy him.
I don't need to go. Hey! I know what I'm new.
Things have gone wrong. Mighty tree has
Father,
fallen.
you say that I will marry that good-for-nothing girl? Now get out of my sight before I curse you. Have you not done that already? Cursing me is like cursing the land because I will eventually take over from you. So a cursed king will definitely rule this kingdom. Does it look like I'm bothered? Well, I came to let you know that I will never, ever marry that girl. Get out of my sight. I made my point. Get out of my sight!
Father, is everything all right?
It's your brother. I just hope he will not kill me someday. He makes me angry all the time.
Father, but you know Kamdi. You should be used to his behavior by now.
He doesn't behave like a child of mine. He doesn't behave like my son.
But Father, Kamdi is your son, and you know that.
He doesn't seem so.
It is, Father.
Your mother went to the palace today, right?
Yes.
I said it. She said the king.
Yes.
I talk calm. I know say my pale na coward. You see my pale? Hi. You see that man? If no be say na my pale, he go collect, I swear. My pale, they tell me say he go palace. They no gree am enter. Say the king, they have in siesta. Can you imagine?
Your father?
Yes. Your mother came back with good news, Abi? Tell me, what did the king tell him?
She said that the prince must marry me.
He must marry you. You see your mother? She is very, very brave, I swear. You see your mama? I wish I get that kind mama. I will not get problem. All this nonsense not going to happen. By the time My mother and I, we put hands together. We don't finish all these people. But no while he go marry you. Shebi go marry him.
No, he's not a good man. I don't want to marry him.
In a kweko. Ingokai. You don't go marry him. He's not a good man. See, make I tell you. Whoever they don't chop him. Atagogi bona atagogi. Now one nibuzi mwelelele. Ibuzi kaka set. If I be fukita na ha, ibuzi don dada. Yes now. No ye you ponu to kill you so ka give money me playa ge. No ya. Marry him for your own good. Ikwechiri. So that he will not go and eat another person. No. They hear they talk, okay, I no go marry him. You know, no say na that boy be the next king of you people's community. Yes now. If you marry him, you become the queen of your community. Because he can never be my king. He can never be my prince.
But the prince is not a good man at all.
He don't consign you. They don't chop you. We say they don't chop you. Oh, you don't say you don't reduce your bride price. Ada make you use your head though. See, you don't marry and finish.
What kind of talk is that?
Yes, now you go marry him. You don't marry and finish, oh. Ha.
My husband.
Thunder fire you, dear, in your generation. Is it this mouth you use in calling your husband? Are you mad? Who's your husband? What are you doing here?
You know why I am here, so stop pretending.
I'm just looking at you and thinking where to strangle you from. Is it to shoot this thing inside your eyes? Or to strangle your neck? Look, if you know what is good for your miserable life, I am giving you from now till tomorrow to leave this palace.
I am going nowhere. I have come to stay. You must take care of me.
You'll stay in cuffs. I promise.
Do you think staying here is the best option for you? My brother will never and can never love you. He will make life miserable for you. So I will advise you go home while I talk to my father for you to stay in your house and have this baby.
I prefer to stay here. Thank you so much, my princess. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate your advice, but me, I prefer to stay here. You must take care of me.
I'm not disputing the fact that you want to stay in this palace to have your child. But you need to go. You need to, okay?
I'm not going home. I don't want to go. See this palace. I'm staying here. I'm not going anywhere.
As you all know, our neighboring villages have been pestering us into an inter-trade relations. I want us to know of what interest is it to us. We also need to know what they are offering to know if it is going to be beneficial to us.
Your Highness, I think it's better we don't involve in any business with them. Remember, they were the ones who were against the learned men who came to educate us on how to improve our farming ideas.
What we must understand is this. The interest they have. Why would they be pestering us? Father, I want to see you. What is the meaning of this? Something wrong with you? Can't you see I'm in the middle of an important meeting with the elders? What I want to discuss with you is also very important to me. You see, I don't like that girl that you married for me. I don't know why you did such a thing. Did I beg you to? What about the pregnancy? Were you not the one who shamelessly forced yourself on her that we had to force you to get married to her? Well, the deed has been done. We can easily send her to her father's house. Well, when she gives birth, then maybe we'll bring her back or we'll take care of her from there. You must be stupid. You want to ridicule me? You want people to laugh at me? Hey, don't give me reason to doubt if you're actually my son.
Hell no, my king. Do not say anything like that. He's your son. You know he's just going...
Did I beg you to say anything? I don't understand.
I'm talking with my father, you're intruding as what now? Huh? Why are you elders fools? Like, I don't understand. Why can't you mind your business? Is it hard to mind? I'll shoot this thing inside your hand. Oh, shut up your mouth.
It's me or no war.
Huh? I'll give you punk now. You mad? Talking to my father, you're intruding. Who the hell are you? If I'm going to take your time, I'm be reasonable. Well, father, I've made my point, okay? That girl should go to her father's house.
A war? Are we the ones he just called fools? What just happened? Or was I dreaming?
Leave us now. I said leave us now.
Rubbish. Think about what I just said.
You said it's going through adolescence. He has actually shown you his adolescence.
Why are you sleeping on the couch? Meant to be in your bedroom.
Father is not back, right?
No sign of him yet.
Hi. Since our many years of marriage, your father has never slept out. Let alone keep late night.
Maybe something held him back. He's trying to attend to some things. That could be the only reason.
Is that in holding him back? That is why I'm worried. What is that thing holding him back from coming back to his house? He didn't go out with the guards. He only went with the driver. And he didn't dress in the way regalia, but in
Mom,
simple dressing.
Let's not be negative about it, okay? Let's just go to bed, sleep over till tomorrow. If no sign of him, then take actions. Though I know my father, I know he's fine, okay? Let's go to bed. Come
I
on.
don't feel right about the whole thing. I have this feeling that all this is not well.
Everything is well, okay? I just...
And where are you coming from? You left this palace since yesterday. I refused to pick my calls. You came back this morning, you're innocently walking into the house. As if you don't know what you did. Tell me, where are you coming from? I deserve an explanation from you!
Is this your good morning?
Really?
This is why I had to leave this house since yesterday. I am tired of the troubles you and your son give me every day. I need peace of mind. If you'll excuse me.
Hey! Where did you take the king to? Where did you drive him to?
Nowhere, Your Majesty.
If you want to continue working here, and you don't want me to skin you alive, even though I will try to protect you if you tell me the truth, where did you take him?
Nowhere, Your Majesty. I only took him to the bar.
So where did he sleep? In the bar?
The king was drunk, so I took him to a lady's house, Your Majesty.
I see. You took him to a lady's house?
Yes, Your Majesty.
This same lady you took him to, if you're asked to describe her house, will you be able to do that?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Like I told you earlier, it's our little secret. I'll protect you. One of these days, you're going to drive me to that same lady's place.
Okay, Your Majesty.
You understand, right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So you can take your ass back to the house. Get lost. You're dragging the water. I see your husband. Your Majesty. Who was the woman you slept with the day you left the palace?
woman. Allow me to enjoy my food in peace. You don't want me to have peace in this palace anymore?
You will have peace. Once you tell me the truth. Are you seeing another woman?
Yes. Yes, I am seeing another woman. Someone who does not bother me as much as you and your wayward son. Are you satisfied now?
I think I know who that lady is. Ebubedike. You mean after all these years, you are still seeing that woman? What did I ever do wrong to you? Of course you should lose your appetite. When you enjoyed yourself the other night, you still have appetite to eat my food. Leave this food, I'm going to give them to beggars. People that deserve to eat it. That are not as rotten and debased as you are.
It is done. She will be with you in a moment. But are you sure you really want to do this?
Obaka, I want to enjoy myself. Just leave me alone. I want to forget all the wahala, the problem in palace. Go. Baka, go.
As it pleases you, Your Highness.
Tell her I am waiting for her.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Beatrice.
You're welcome. You are an angel.
The man you sent told me you want to have a good time. Can you afford me?
Can I afford you?
Yes.
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
I don't know. I don't care to know. As long as you have money, we are good.
Let me ask you my question.
Go on.
Can you wound me? No, can you wound me? Yes. Answer it.
Yes.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Laugh for yourself. Very good.
I can.
Okay. Let us go to hotel.
No, I'm sorry. I don't do hotels. We could go to my place, you know. It's not far from here.
You don't want to go to hotel?
No, I don't do hotels.
We should go to your house.
Yes. It's safe. Yes.
I want to do jiggy jiggy.
You want to do jiggy jiggy?
Can you jiggy jiggy me?
I can.
Eh?
Yes, I can.
Eh?
But this one you are drunk. Are you sure you can handle me? Huh? You can do jiggy 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 jiggy.
Leave the body alone and face the engine. The engine can jiggy jiggy you.
So the engine can jiggy jiggy me?
Yes.
Okay.
It will jiggy jiggy you.
So let's go so that you can jiggy jiggy this, you know?
My beer.
Don't finish it. You're already drunk. Because I know you cannot perform with this level of highness. Let's go.
Beer, bye-bye. Okay.
Yes, bye-bye, beer.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I stand?
Thank you very much. Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, just hold me like this.
There's a big river.
Are you sure you can jiggy me? Let me hold your freezer.
We will not pass here. There's a big river here.
Yes, big river. Ah, you are high. Let's go.
So go pass it.
Are you serious? You're so funny. Let's go. Let's go. Just hold me.
I can't give you. I can't give you.
Who is here? Bam bam.
Your Highness. Greetings, Your Highness. There's problem, Your Highness.
Sit down. How serious?
I need to speak to you in private, Your Highness.
Guard, please leave us. Ichobaka. What is it?
I just received a call from Beatrice this morning.
Beatrice. Who is Beatrice?
The lady you followed and slept with 3 months ago.
Oh, I remember. What about her?
She is 3 months pregnant.
3 months pregnant. What has that got to do with me?
She's claiming it to be yours.
Claiming it to be mine? That is ridiculous. Isn't she a prostitute? Was I the only man that slept with her? She should go and meet the other men that slept with her. Oh, she wants to use it as a ploy to extort something from me. I won't fall for her business. Because the business I had with her ended that same night.
I also thought she wanted to blackmail you, Your Highness. She doesn't even know that you are the king. She said you insisted on not using protection. That is why she's calling you to send her money to abort it.
You are sure she doesn't know my identity?
That is what she said.
Are you lost? Who are you? And what are you doing in my house?
So you're the thing that is planning on taking my husband away from me. What did he see in you that got him attracted to him? Is it not this thing I see here? Is there anyone remaining inside the house?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Who is after your husband?
Don't play stupid with me. It is only an ignorant child that plays with a snake, thinking it's a rope. I am the queen. Nobody takes what belongs to me. I don't know what you're doing with my husband, the king.
I don't care who you are or who your husband is. But you cannot come to my house and raise your voice at me. Hell no.
Leave. I should leave.
Leave my house now.
I should leave your house.
Yes.
I'll leave. But let me sound it as a note of warning, because I see your mouth is loud. Stay away from my husband. Else, stupid.
Can you imagine?
Gebe, please, would you let me have peace of mind?
Not until you tell me who she is. Last night was the second night you were sleeping out of this palace since we got married. Who is she? The last time I remember you telling me she was pregnant for you and you had plans of making her your second wife. Or you think I've forgotten all that?
Keep talking.
Yes, I will keep talking.